We really like this older model New Holland hay baler. It has been absolutely great for us. When we were looking for hay equipment about 4 years ago, we couldn't afford new. And honestly, I'm really glad we bought this old one. It works great, and all of the parts on it can be fixed. James has gotten really good over the past 4 years at maintaining this piece of farm equipment and fixing anything that breaks on it, and it has done a great job at producing hay for our small farm. Thanks for watching.